I'm going on my trip to learn how to cook traditional, is it Cretan? Would you say it's Cretan? It's yes. Cretan Greek? So traditional Cretan Greek food. So we're going through the little villages here, as you can see. And we're off to a farm to have roast pork and potatoes done Cretan style.
And roast chicken also. Roast chicken.
Roast chicken.
Yes,
oh,
also.
Lovely.
And, baby lamb, not very big, young lamb.
Young lamb.
Lamb. We make this in Casserole.
Yeah.
Fricassee.
Oh.
This is with vegetables and artichokes.
Oh, vegetables and artichokes, guys, as well.
Lamb.
With lamb.
We make also stuffed tomatoes.
Oh.
With stuffed peppers. With and wine leaves stuffed with rice.
Oh my
rice,
lord. Dolma.
Dolmas, yes.
Dolmas, yeah. Dolmas. So that's dolmas as well.
With anis, with carrot, with artichokes and zucchinis inside in the rice. We make so
yeah.
Vegetables.
Oh, amazing.
You can see now.
Amazing, guys. So it's going to be pork, lamb and chicken, all roasted. So we've just arrived, guys, at the restaurant. There we go. I can eat the cherries.
Hello, Kalimera. You can eat some, yes.
I can eat it, thank you. Guys, I'm gonna eat a cherry from the tree. Let's give it a go. Oh wow, that's super shiny, that one. I'm gonna go for that one. Mm. Right guys, I'm going into the kitchen now.
Hello.
Hello,
welcome.
Hello, thank you. Let's have a look at the pork. Oh wow.
This is young pork.
Your first time in Crete?
Yes.
In Greece, I mean?
My first time.
Oh.
Yeah, my first
nice
time here.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Look,
this is
stunning.
pork. It's roast pork in the oven. A little bit oil, lemon vazis, and lemon, always lemon.
Oil, lemon, okay.
Lemon, of course, water and salt.
And salt, okay.
And we put in the...
After half an hour.
30 minutes.
Half an hour, and then we make around from the other side, like this. And
then you turn it.
Just to be red, a little bit red.
Okay.
And then we put it to the other side, you know. Half an hour about, and then...
And after 1 hour
yes.
inside.
And then we put 1 hour, less than 1 hour. Less than 1 hour.
Okay.
To be red, a nice color, you know.
Okay.
And then we have big potatoes in another place here. Big potatoes. We put
that looks stunning.
Yes.
We put the potatoes
we put up on the
you put on
the
top.
meat. Yes.
It's the potatoes soak up all the juices.
We have also chicken.
Mustard, tomatoes.
A little bit of tomatoes.
Mustard,
tomatoes, a little bit.
Fresh tomatoes.
Not tins, all fresh. Paprika.
Okay.
Very
good to be red a little bit.
Okay.
And a little bit, 1 or 2 if it's a big the bowl. Orange, not lemon. Orange.
Oh wow.
Fresh orange.
So
orange.
the juice of the orange.
Juice, yes.
Oh wow. Okay.
In 180.
Yes.
In 180.
It's more soft the chicken.
Ah right.
than
180.
the
Yeah.
About. This is lamb.
Oh,
lamb in Casserole.
Lord.
This one also very special. So we put in Casserole strong onions.
The big onions.
Oh yes.
Pieces with olive oil.
Olive oil.
Right.
Always.
Okay.
And after we put
Inside here.
the lamb.
Okay.
The lamb pieces. After
Sorry.
1 hour.
You use
we
the
put
green
this
onion. What is this?
Marathos.
Not dill.
Dill.
Yes.
Okay, dill. Okay.
With that.
Then fresh onions.
With fresh onions, okay.
And after half an hour.
Okay, lettuce.
Yes.
Lettuce.
Big pieces.
Big pieces.
Okay.
Big pieces.
Yeah.
About 20 minutes.
20
15 minutes.
Okay.
And after we put the sauce in big box
In a bowl.
with egg
Yeah.
and citron juice. lemonade
Oh.
juice. We make so.
And
we put
the little corn flour.
Oh, right, to
be-
thicken it.
Yes. To
Yes.
thicken it, and
Pira to
we
come
make
something.
the casserole like this.
Oh, wow.
Special for us.
Oh.
It's special. The food.
So this is like,
Very,
can you
very
get this
fricassee.
everywhere in Greece?
everywhere.
Everywhere.
You say fricassee.
Fricassee.
Here is the
Fricassee.
special in the taverna.
Okay.
Because it's our fricassee, but you can find, I think, it always
Yeah.
because it's from our grandmother. Special food for the Easter,
Yes.
beginning the season.
Okay.
The vegetables, in La City, special.
Yeah.
Beginning the, what is this, Anna? Yeah, you see, fresh everything.
Oh, wow. So that, hello.
Hello.
Hello, Anna.
Everything fresh.
So this is from your garden?
This is
Yes, they are of my garden all.
special,
Oh, wow.
special in La City. Tomatoes.
Yeah.
We put onions. Now beginning. This one, maruglia. Not orange and not olives.
Olives, okay.
Olives and
Olives,
and,
but we
and
have olives in near from here.
Yes.
How many hectares?
It needs to be hotter, right? For
because
olives?
yes,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's very
All the
cold
people
here.
from
Yeah, oh, right.
So
It's too high in the mountains.
Snow of the
Yeah,
mountains.
yeah.
You know,
I got
it's-
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
So,
makes
but
sense.
everything, fruits, melon, everything in La City.
Wow.
Potatoes, special potatoes, La City.
Oh.
Everything.
So you farm yourself, the potatoes?
Of course,
Oh,
yes.
wow.
Everything. Grandmothers, grandparents, uncle
Yeah.
together, cousin, how to say? Yes, all
Yes.
together, all family.
So it's all
together.
family, yeah.
So it's easy.
That's the best. Yeah. Family run
Yes,
are the best,
yes.
definitely.
Which is your job?
Alain,
Yeah.
Alain.
Yeah, yes.
I work in IT, computers.
Computers.
Yeah,
Yeah,
computers.
Oh,
yeah,
very,
yeah.
very difficult also.
Well,
Yes, I
Yeah.
have a cousin like you, and she say me, it's better here. I say no, it's very tired.
it's tiring.
Always it's
My
tiring.
mum was a chef for 35 years in a primary
really?
school,
Yes.
and I chef for about 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah, it's a very hard job. 14-hour shifts. It's very hard.
And especially with summertime, hot,
Yes.
busy.
Oh, yes,
But
definitely.
our job,
This
our
is
family's
the
job.
style.
Yeah.
You can taste if you like one. I think it's fit.
Oh,
can
dolma.
taste it. Dolmas.
Can I?
Yes, of course. You can taste.
Oh, it's still lovely and warm, guys.
You can taste. Dolmas. How do you say?
Oh, my God.
Wild leaves. Wild leaves. Yes, wild leaves. We make in a bowl of rice.
Oh, that is amazing.
Yes, rice. A small piece.
Is there mint inside?
No.
No mint.
Pepper. Rice. A lot of onions. Fresh tomato. Artichoke and small. Πώς το άλλο, μάραθο, dill. A lot of.
yeah. Artichoke. Aubergine,
and
okay.
Zucchinis. The
Zucchini,
zucchinis.
okay.
To write.
Plenty of work that goes
Yes,
into
of
that-
course.
into that
if
dish.
we have a menu or groups they like sometimes,
Yeah.
and they take and forgot to see. We have a plate. We say La City plate. It's 1 tomato, 1 paprika. I think it's not. Yeah, but it's not finished. Just I put
Oh,
now.
wow.
It's not finished. So it's tomato for a plate, paprika, pepper, 1
Yeah.
tomato, pepper, 3, 4 like this, and potatoes. And
Wow,
we say La
okay.
City plate for vegetarian person.
Yeah.
Because sometimes there is people they don't like meat. No, vegetarian. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we put oil, salt, water, and a small piece of bread. And we go in the oven for half an hour and a little bit more. Also very good.
Amazing. The dolma is so nice.
Yes.
Oh,
you can try
wow.
one. Yeah, you can.
Good. Do you mind? That is so good.
Yes.
Oh God,
Yes.
guys, I can't help
No
myself.
problem, no
Thank you so
problem, no
much.
problem.
It's so good.
Okay. And so it's strong our job, but
If
we
you
try.
eat here,
We try.
if you eat later, I promise the best food.
Everything
Oh.
is fresh.
Oh,
We're
man.
families, Taverna here, Everything fresh.
It's so good. Thank you so much,
Same
guys.
you.
So here we go, guys. I've been served my food. Thank you. So I've gone for the pork and potatoes. You see how it was prepared earlier in the kitchen. I've got a lovely salad there. And bless, they work so hard here. Oh, that pork is outstanding.
This meat is very young pork, baby. It's 30 euro all the pork.
Oh, it's so good. And the potatoes, guys, the flavour, it soaked up all the juices from the meat, and it's just to die for. Look at the amount that you get as well. Look, a real pile up. Look at the way, just look at that. and it just came apart. All the plates, guys, completely clean, empty. Look at that. Honest to God, it's like 5-star experience.